Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to send over a file on WhatsApp. It's super simple and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's get right into it by going into WhatsApp. And now I'm going to go back to this page. We're in the chat box, so it's super simple. I can choose a chat that I want to send the file to, or I can just go into search and type in a person on WhatsApp. But I'm going to send over it to Noah, so I'm going to click on Noah's chat, and now on the bottom left corner where that plus sign is, I'm going to press it, and then I'm also going to press on Documents. And now I get the option to choose from files or choose from photo or video. I'm going to choose from files. And now it's brought to my file page on my iPhone, and I'm going to press on the top left corner of the photo, and I'm going to press on Open on the top right corner. And now it's going to prepare. Here's the document. What I can do is add a caption to it. Check this out. And then I can press Send. And now I've successfully sent a PDF file over to my friend on WhatsApp. So thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful in any way, please leave a like. Again, thanks for watching and have a great day.